Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is December the 6th, 2020, and on this particular video, we are going to update you all on the price movement for Zilliqa. Now, before I go into that, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys can see our charts are not confusing. Our speech is not confusing, while everyone out there is literally confusing the mess out of you. Join us. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It's just that easy. We don't pay attention to any of the news articles, fundamental analysis, even technical indicators, because the only thing that matters is following the trap. You might be asking, who is the trap? Well, that's the person you see on the bottom left side of my screen. We consider him the crook. He's the one that's trying to take your money, plain and simple. And it's vice versa. Don't get it twisted. You're into the market to take someone else's money. It's a trader's market. You buy and you sell. So there's a competition going on in the market. And once you're able to distinguish what the trap is going to do, you can outcompete him and get in a position so you can profit. So if you guys appreciate that, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification as well to become notified whenever we upload our content to this video. To this medium. So here we are. Last time our video for Zilliqa was on November 22nd, 2020. You guys can see this is the performance right here. The expectation was for the trap to go higher in price, and he has definitely exceeded our forecast expectations. Okay. But either way it go, profitability was had in the market. Ultimately, 11.84% profit was made right there. And the market actually came and tagged out 2 days into us producing this forecast. 11.84%. Now, let's just say that you are into the market today, and let's say you wanted to get out your position. You'll be up 47.97%. Congratulations on those who are seeing the market in Zilliqa trade around 3 cents. So either is 48% or 11.84. Either way, you're taking the bag from the trap. Congratulations. So let's update our chart, because he has laid down more information for us to ingest or digest over the next couple of days to see where he's going. First thing, what about the support? Or it was acting as a restriction back in November. So is it still restriction now? Is it still applicable? Where's the market traded at? So we don't need to keep it here. We need to have things on our chart that makes sense. If the market's not traded down there, why do we need to keep the line down there? We don't. So we're going to utilize that line now for support right here on around 0.028. to where the market in Zilliqa found that area as restriction. Okay. So this is our new support area, right? Now you can see here as I extend out this ascending line that the trend in Zilliqa is definitely a lot steeper. Okay. Look at the slope right now in Zilliqa on the current trend that this market is in. This slope here is a lot steeper than the overall trend in Zilliqa going higher. So can we see a break to the downside? We sure can, because this slope, the steeper the slope, the harder it is to maintain. The lesser the slope, the easier the market can maintain it. So we are definitely in a steeper slope right now. So our mentality needs to be, this cannot be sustained long. Henceforth, while the market in Zilliqa already came and found restriction at 0.03 or 3.5 cents. Okay. Just like it did here on November 25th, 2020. So consider that. Another thing, the market in Zilliqa is trading about, 27% from the overall trend. 27. So we can still see this market in Zilliqa drop 27% and we'll still be in the uptrend. Consider that. Okay. So let's go ahead and get rid of this ascending line. I just wanted to show you how steep the current market movement in Zilliqa is. And since this is the last day of the week, let's start here on the weekly time frame. So the market in Zilliqa actually does not look bad. From the weakness that came in last week, the market definitely bought that up. It wasn't done with higher price. But we really didn't make any substantial movement outside of what occurred last week. We simply traded in within the price range or the volatility or the spread from last week. So the trap really didn't accomplish anything. If anything, he was just continuing his business right between 0.028 all the way up there to around 3.5 cents. That's it. What about on the 5-day? So on the 5-day time frame, the market in Zilliqa is still trying to show us it wants to go higher in price. Definitely still seeing that there. Okay. Now, as I look at these multiple price charts, I'm seeing that 0.036 is hard area of restriction. That is the only thing that is in Zilliqa's way. Okay. And here we are again on the 3-day time frame. Now, on the 3-day time frame, you guys can see this too, that we are seeing a divergence occurring into the market. As the market in Zilliqa moves higher in price, the volume is decreasing. That there also lets you know that the market is losing steam, or at least momentarily we're going to see this market continue to trade in this arena. Okay, right around this vicinity until we actually see, i.e. strength or weakness. It's just that easy. Now, take a look at the market on the daily time frame. Definitely the market in Zilliqa is showing us a little bit of weakness, but the market strength that came in yesterday lets us know that the vigor, that the wantonness of continuation to move higher price is still there. Okay. Now the weakness is here though. That's the current market movement in Zilliqa. So what's the whole objective of the trap? Was it just to come back up here to 0.036 and now we're going to see the market go down again? Because he tagged that out on his last completed 13-hour price bar. Or is he going to prepare himself to continually break that to the upside? It all depends on this particular forecast on your time preference. Because currently on the hourly time frame, this market in Zilliqa is showing us weakness. Okay. So what is your expectation? What do you see into the market? I want you to let me know. So on this video, we are going to play some weakness into the market. Now, definitely Zilliqa breaks 0.036. The continuation of movement higher price is going to occur, right? Now, we would TP the market here at 0.0338. Oh, I'm sorry, 0.033 is where we'll TP the market if that, and definitely here. Okay, 0.031. That's it. So yeah, we're just going to anticipate some weakness to the downside. And I just wanted to zoom out real quick and show you that this market in Zilliqa is trading at areas that it hasn't been traded in at all on Binance. So yeah, Zilliqa recently has made all-time highs. Can it be sustained? That's something you need to answer. So what do you think? This is our expectations going on into the market for Zilliqa. Plain slight weakness right now. You might see something different. Where will the price be in the next 2 weeks? You need to get in a position if you're trying to play that in that time frame. And that's it. So make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.